Hey YouTube, this your girl Jackie back today with an unboxing video. I'm excited because I got my first Apple Watch. Let me get a little screenshot in my Visa Shield. So I got this from Best Buy and I'm just so excited to open this. Who else uses a knife to cut open their new goodies? I'm like really excited about this. And then I actually bought a camera as well, but I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video on that as well. But to start off, we're gonna go ahead and open. So I got the Series 3 Apple Watch, and the reason why I got the Series 3 is because it's my first Apple Watch. I really don't know what to expect from it, and it was on sale with Best Buy. I'm gonna leave the link below. So it comes in this nice little box, as you can see. Shipping was super fast, and yeah, ooh, I don't want to mess stuff up, but I'm super excited to open up and see what comes inside because, oh, I got the color white. Ooh. I'm kind of gonna do like a screen share of when I do set it up for you guys could see, but comes with this little thing on it. I got white because I am gonna change it out for the sport pink, and I got this together. This was on sale. I think it was $6.25 or something like that. But yeah, so it looks like you just pull this part off here and turn it up. I got the 38 size, 38 millimeter size. And just because my wrist is small, I don't need it that big. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It looks all nice, y'all. So I'm going to show you what I had before this Apple Watch. Just because I needed an upgrade and I did not want to spend all that money on no Apple Watch, because I think it's like $500–600 for the latest one. And it wasn't that big of a difference. Like, I looked at other YouTube videos and I saw that the 3 was actually recommended over the 4. I guess because of the 3 was compatible with the number 5. So I'm going to show you what I had before this on why I upgraded to the Apple Watch. And it was really outdated. It was cool for when it did last. Yeah, it was cool for what it was. It does not have a sensor like the Apple Watch, which is one reason why I upgraded. This one has a band that you attach to your waist and reads your heart rate. And what happened was it kept slipping. Who wanted to deal with that when they're working out and then you have to stop working out for it to give you accurate measure or accurate calories burned? So me, I'm getting back into my active mode. I'm trying to actively lose weight again. I stopped for a little bit, but now that we're like on quarantine, you know, so I'm like, let me give me some to motivate me. And this one I know you could wear all the time. Let me go ahead and put it on. And it looks like it just snaps on. Let me see. Like that. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start pairing it up. It comes with a little another band, so I guess if you want to change it you can. And then it comes with this charger. So it does not have a wall port that you have, so you can use your iPhone wall mount port, whatever you want to call it. So this is the charger. It just looks all sparkly and new, and I'm just excited to be like, I can see myself running with this thing on, and it not having to put on this thing with this polar one. Again, it was good while it lasted, and I don't know, my favorite color is pink, so I think I am going to swap out the white. I might wear the white for a little bit and then swap it out. But so it comes with a pairing set. So now I have to stop this. Again, I'm going to do like a screen share and show how I'm pairing it up for you guys can follow along. Okay, from here, all you have to do is hold the watch to the screen. As you can see, it quickly goes to the next step. Ask which side your crown is on, and mine was on the right side. And I took a while to read this because I'm like, what do they mean? I guess by which way you have your clock, your watch on your hand, if you have it on the side or the top or the bottom, you could pretty much figure it out on which way you want to wear it. So I guess it's no one way to wear it. So now I'm signing into my account. You see, it may take a few minutes if you have faster internet. Since everybody's on the internet, that's probably why mine is going slower. But so I just signed into my account. So as you can see, this part goes pretty fast. At this part, it lets you add a workout, like not routine, but just like your information, your passcode. So right here, I'm just choosing my passcode on the watch. And yeah, it went very fast. I created a 4-digit passcode to wear. So that's if you take your watch off and then put it back on. The activity tracker makes you put in your weight, your date of birth, your height, your all of that, your gender. Then after that, you can install all of your apps. I did not install all of my apps because I didn't want too much on the phone or on the watch to, start out. I wanted to actually ease my way into finding out everything. But yeah, I really love it. My battery went low. But so far, so good. Yesterday, I put it on after I had it, and I really love it, you guys. It's like so easy going. If you're looking for an upgrade, start with this one first because it was easy to set up, easy to use, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I looked forward to filming more. Bye.